Now that I know that you guys can hear me, I can continue what I was doing. So once you're done like that, take a couple of these thorns off too. Cause I keep sticking my stuff. It doesn't hurt, but like, fuck. Touching needles. Alright, so once you do that, cut it at an angle. Make a little bit of a surface area for the roots to come out. Like that. Just a small portion. And drop the damn thing in the water. Oh, gotta cut that off. Boom. Alright. These ones are already dead, but I'll clean them up a little bit more for you. That's good. Cut off some of these bigger leaves. They're just water leaves. And then take off this dead shit. Fucking stuck myself again. Shit. Take the thorns off first, and then do everything that I'm telling you to do. Fuck. Get stuck by a fucking rose bush. Okay. This one's done. Take this dead shit. Boom. Take off the dead shit. That's all you gotta do. Take off the big water leaves, and leave that. Go to the bottom. You can't really see, can you? But, oh well. As long as you can fucking hear me. Stick it inside the fucking water ball. And take the fucking thorns off. Shit. Okay. God, it's fucking crazy. Take the thorns off so you can get inside the water bottle. And look at these pretty flowers. Rose bushes are very forgiving. This bush has been taken out of the ground for like a week. I've just been looking at it like, fuck, I really want those fucking flowers, but I was waiting for them to grow, and then I was going to take off the stem. So, this one right here, that's a lot. There's a clean one, but look at this one. This one, what you can do is, I got a potato right here. So, you're going to cut off the dead shit, take off that flower, fucking we'll trim it down to right there. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. And then for this one, you're going to do the same thing. Take the thorns off. Cut it at an angle right here at the bottom. Small angle. And you're going to shove it inside of this fucking potato. Fuck. Well, I got to make the hole first. Make a small hole in this fucking potato with your scissors that you should have on you. And then you're going to plant this fucking motherfucker right inside of there. Well, I should put it deeper, but you get the point. Okay. Back to what I was doing. Okay. Here's a stick. Clean up all this shit on the bottom. You don't need it. It looks ugly anyways. That's all you need. Take off the big water leaves. Shit. Oh, I fucked that one up. Thorns. Don't forget the fucking thorns. Tired of getting stuck. And then you're gonna drop it into the fucking water. That's how you do it. Now we got a few more. There's this one. Actually, this one I was gonna put in the potato as well. So, back to the fucking potato. Take that fucking thing out. Make the hole a little bit deeper. Make this hole a little bit deeper. Clean up the bottom. Take that thorn off. Boom. The angle. And then stick it inside the potato. And the same thing for this one. I wish I could clean this one up a little bit more, but I kind of want it to be separated like that, because then you'll have a whole piece over here and a whole piece over here. This one's just gonna grow up. So, boom. This one even has a little flower. So, it's probably not gonna live though. Okay, so here's the last one. And then we're just gonna take off, we'll leave that. We'll take off this twisted one, this one, this one, this one, that. We'll take that off. We'll leave all that nice veg right there. See? You can see all the new growth on there already, but you can't really see. But, oh well. I know what the fuck I'm seeing. Take off this bottom piece. Clean up this. Shave a little bit off. And then, don't forget the thorns. Because they fucking hurt. I got like 3 of them in my finger right now and I'm still doing this. Okay. There. Now I got like fucking 8 of them. 9, 10 of them. 11 because there's one more. I still got a bunch of them. I still gotta do this and make a bunch more. This will probably be my longest video. It's crazy. Okay. It's clean. Clean bush. Clean bush. Hey. I need to stop. Goodbye.